Hello everyone, this is Sushma and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to review two multi-purpose multicolor drawers that I got from Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I got it by myself for storing my arts and crafts stuff. I thought this will be useful for you all, so I am sharing this information. So let's get started. First thing everyone does before buying any product is research. After doing research on multi-purpose drawers, I found three good brands: Nilkamal, Bathurst Tomo, Joyful Studio. In Nilkamal we'll get 4 colors: purple color with transparent drawers, pink, green and blue colors as shown in the pictures. It will come in two sizes, one with 3 drawers and one with 4 drawers. Price of the product may vary according to the color you choose. Exact measurements of the drawers are given in the pictures. You can check them or you can also visit the links in the description box for the same. In Bathurst Tomo, we'll get 5 colors and a multicolored one. Prices of the product may vary according to the color you choose. We get them in 4 and 5 drawers. Exact measurements of the drawers are given in the pictures. You can check them or you can also visit the links in the description box for the same. In Joyful Studio, we'll get the drawers in different sizes. It will come with 2, 3, 4 and 5 drawers in different colors. Prices of the product may vary according to the color you choose. Check the links in the description box below to find the products that are available. As I couldn't find Nilkamal product with 5 drawers, I went with the other two brands. I got Bathurst Tomo 5XL multipurpose modular drawer storage system with trolley wheels and anti-slip shoes multicolor, and Joyful Studio 5XL with yellow plastic modular drawer system. Both came in a good packaging with all the materials to be assembled to make the drawer. In this you will get 4 caps to secure the bottom area and 20 legs like this to fix the frames, 5 frames like this to place the boxes and one top frame, and 5 boxes. Take a frame and fix the caps on the back for the base. Now the base is ready. Take the legs and fix them on the sides as shown. Now place the box and fix the frame on the top. Repeat the process for all the 5 boxes. After placing all the 5 boxes, place the top frame at last. This is how it looks after assembling. It is a nice space-saving organizer. You can keep it in the kitchen, beside your bed, your dressing table, etc. In this you will get one top frame with 3 partitions and 5 frames like this to place the boxes, 5 boxes and 20 legs like this. The caps provided by this brand for the base has wheels in it and an anti-slip cap on the top. You can either use wheels or you can put the cap and use it. As you can see on the top of the box, they provided detailed instructions on how to assemble the drawer. The instructions are very clear and this made the assembling part easier. Now let's see the assembling part. Take a frame and fix the caps on the back for the base as shown. Now the base is ready. Place the box on the frame and fix the legs on the sides as shown. Now fix the frame on the top and place the box again. Repeat the process for all the 5 boxes. After fixing all the boxes, place the top frame at last. This is how it looks after assembling. It will be very useful for people who stays in PG. You can keep your clothes, makeup items and kids' toys, books, stationeries, etc. in this drawer. If you see the legs of Joyful Studio, it's a tube-like leg without any support inside, and the legs of Bathla Stomo has boxes inside the legs which keeps the entire drawer more sturdy. Now coming to frames, quality wise both the frames are same, but the top frame from Bathla Stomo has partitions in it and we get a plain one in Joyful. Quality of the boxes from both the brands are same. The boxes given by Bathla Stomo is little larger than Joyful Studio and the adjustment panel on the back is better in Bathla Stomo compared to Joyful. You can see that the finishing is neat in Bathla Stomo without any gaps compared to Joyful Studio. You can see some gap between the frame and the box in Joyful. It makes the dust go inside easily. So it would be better to go with Bathla Stomo as it has no gaps between the box and the frame. After fixing everything, if you lift the drawer up, the frames easily come out from Joyful drawer, and if you lift the Bathla Stomo drawer, it is more sturdy and the frames are not coming out easily. So I would recommend Bathla Stomo compared to Joyful Studio. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to buy the same. I hope this video is useful. Do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.